Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Gmail subscription renewal failed. First thing first, open your browser. Now, make sure that you are logged into the exact Google account where you have your Gmail. Now, select this three-dot icon on your top right. Then go for settings. In here, you will see payment methods. This should be under passwords and autofill. Go ahead and select payment methods. Now, likewise, what you have to make sure is that your card number, your card name should be everything as it is in your physical card. So even if a word is mistakenly simply put as another one, you might not be able to use your card. It will show payment subscription renewal failed and stuff like that. So make sure your card is valid. It has a validity date. It has some money. Now, likewise, if it's still not working, select add payment method. Now, likewise, you may go ahead and add another card and see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then you have to remove your primary card. Try again, and once after you remove it, add it again. As you do that, it will fix your problem. Thank you for watching.